4, 3, 2, 1. We have 3 racing on the track, only taking 1 to the feature. We call them second chance races. It's actually last chance. As you can see, they're battling down the backstretch into turn 2. Now it's Volko by a car. 169, Nick Stage looking to get in on the inside. Let's see if they come out the back. End to end. Stage trying to stay on the inside. Volko trying to keep the lead. Here we are in turn 1. Stage up and over, back on his wheels. Back on his wheels, and he's off and running. He don't want to stop. No, we got to stop. We got to make sure he's not just adrenaline rushed.
He's like, just let it go.
Folks, it looks like he's doing all right. Make some noise for this guy going up and over in turn 1, back on his wheels. Say, let's go! Go ahead, pull on back up here into your position. Stick right there 1 second. All right, looking good right there, brother. Thank you, Henry. Thanks, Ward. Green flag ready to roll. Here we are. Nick Stage was all over the throttle in turn 1, went up and over in a barrel roll, back to the action. He's in hot pursuit of the 007 Todd Volko. Todd Volko in a GM out of Bay City. With just a couple laps to go, let's see if Nick Stage can make up some ground. White flag, 1 lap to go. This has been a heck of a race already. All right, here we go. Wow. Todd Volko hanging on for the win.